Are you looking for a solution to repair corrupt PowerPoint.ppt files? Don't worry, SysInfoTools comes up with a solution called SysInfo PPT Repair Tool to deal with highly corrupted .ppt files. Some of its prominent features are: by using this tool, user can execute recovery of maximum possible data from highly corrupt PPT files. It can extract pictures from corrupt PPT files and saves them separately. Operates PPT recovery into recovery modes, standard or advanced. Here are the steps to download and run the software. Search for SysInfo PowerPoint Recovery Tool on Google and click the first link. Now download the software from its official website and launch the software. Browse to select the corrupt PPT file. Now click on the next button and select the recovery mode, either standard or advanced as per the level of corruption. Click on the next button again. Wait for the scanning process to get completed. Once the scanning gets completed, select the master slide for recovery and press OK. Check the preview of recovered slides and images. Click on Next. Select the location where you want to save your file and click on Save button. Saving process will be conducted on your system. The new file has been saved at the defined location. Click OK. Close the application. Hope you liked the video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. For more such videos, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.